Dave here, how are you? I'm running an experiment. You might have seen the filament in my printer. It's just disappeared into the print head. And I'm going to let it run out of filament. You can see here, empty. Now, it's come over, it's given me a warning, or it's given me a little alarm saying, come on, come on, come on. Please press the knob to unload filament, which I will. And it's pulling that out. And it says, please pull out filament immediately, which I've done. Next thing I'm going to say, yes, it was successful. Insert filament, which I will. Please wait. See what's happening. It's spitting out some rubbish on the bottom here as it's just feeding it into the head. Change correctly, yes. And let's see what happens. Is it going to go back and start printing? I want that out of there. This was a curly bit that was going to get printed in. Continues the job pretty magically. How cool is that? So there you go. You don't need to waste the end of a roll. All of that came up to possibly not even to the edge of here on the roll. So saved a couple of bucks. There we go. I've got 2 hours left on this print and a brand new roll. Thanks for watching.